All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is November 21st when I'm recording this. I decided to record it this morning when you guys are going to be seeing this because, well, we had NVDA earnings. That was out. I kind of wanted to have the dust settle, and we had our fourth position now just cross 100% gain from where we entered. So we've had four positions now double just using stock. So I want to show you guys that. Just remember, we do have Black Friday sales coming up. We have 30% off basically store-wide. So if you guys are interested coming into the Moxie room or having the Moxie indicator and trading the things that we're trading like this is the kind of environment that really does well for my kind of trading, and the Moxie indicator is just eating it up. So really, if you guys don't have it yet, come on over, come grab it, because I'm telling you, this is the stuff that's really great. So for this morning, we can see the SPX, everything gapped up this morning, then sold off pretty hard because NVIDIA, they beat, they were up, but then they sold off. And I'm guessing people took their profits. It was probably a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. And, the market was probably trying to wreck the people that thought that NVIDIA was really going to explode. So basically, just giant premium crunch. So, we had a big move down like this, but if you see, we really continued to hold support, the Moxie indicators up like this, and we are now most likely going to start getting past the hourly 50, and so far the SPX has been holding the daily 21, and now we're back above the daily 8. So this is all looking pretty good. And show you NVIDIA, big, just trying to catch stops every which way they can, break out new all-time highs, then they rip it back down. So, they're just trying to cash in everything they can and really run people over. So that's the challenge with earnings like this. And then, Bitcoin, let's see, Bitcoin is actually doing pretty well. I guess happy that NVIDIA is doing well, so stuff like that. But this is BITX. This is the leveraged ETF of Bitcoin that we decided to trade. We bought it all the way down here around $30, and we are now up here over 100% gain. So we're really happy with this. Add it to our portfolio of names that have done very well. On that, we have TSLL, which has gone 100%. We have Reddit, which has gone, even higher. Look at this thing. This is an absolute beast. We're up now 150% on Reddit on our position. And then HNST is another one. We're well over 100% on this one as well. I think we got down here about 350, and we are up 113% on this one. So guys, we were having an absolute field day out in the Moxie room and all that kind of stuff. We've also been doing 0 DTE, so I'm going to be having some more webinars coming up in December talking about this, because it's like 2020 all over again, so it's 2025, and we're going to be having a good time, because things like this, it's going to be hard putting this genie back in the jar with moves like this in a market like this. And now that we have NVIDIA out of the way and they beat and Bitcoin's going, things are looking really good. So we're just having a great time. As I said, we're also including 0 DTE. So, this morning we sold a put credit spread. I don't have that pulled up right now, but then we also bought a call, and we had to take a little heat this morning since NVIDIA sold off and the market sold off, but they're both profitable right now. And so it should be just a great day. And I'll show you two other positions that are benefiting from, I believe, the NVIDIA thing that we were in. Net, doing great on that one. And then DDOG, this is another one we've been talking about for a long time right there. Look at that, nice pop-up and breakout. So guys, this market is absolutely on fire. It's doing fantastic. We're in a bunch of positions. Last I counted, I think we had something like 18 positions, and they're all doing pretty well. We did have to get out of one, I will say. So Bitcoin doing great. Not all the miners are doing great. This is the thing I was a little bit concerned about. For some reason, not all the miners are doing. Some of them are rock stars and some of them are duds, and it's just kind of really hard to figure out which one's which. But we were in Irene. We just got stopped out for 3%. Not bad. So that was a 3% stop loss on that one. So hey, if it's not going to work, great. We'll put our money elsewhere. There are too many good positions and too many good names out there to be tied up with anything that's not working. So if it's over smoke and enjoying the corner, go fire it. All right, guys. So thanks again. Hope you guys are enjoying this. And remember, if you like what we're doing here, come on over. Now's the time. We got a 30% sale happening. We're going to be strong into the end of the year, it looks like. And then let's dive into 2025 with a great portfolio. All right, guys. Thanks again. We'll see you later.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.